So are you also running a boutique gym? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business boutique gym. So over here I'm also running a boutique gym and we frequently receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same messages over and over again. So to solve this problem I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. And now what is going to happen is that whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent towards them with the help of my WhatsApp chatbot. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Today I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your boutique gym business. This chatbot will help you handle your client inquiries about membership plans, workout schedules and trainer availability and more, all through WhatsApp. So let's build a smarter, stronger connection with your clients. And to get started, I have already built a chatbot for my boutique gym, and now I'm just going to show you the proper working of this chatbot. For that, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and type a keyword right over here, which is gym, and send them this keyword. And as soon as I'm just going to send them this keyword, it is saying hi there. Before we begin, may I know your full name? Alright, so I'm just going to simply share my full name right over here, which is demo user. So let's say that I'm simply going to share them my full name, and as you can see that I've simply shared my full name. And once I'm just going to share them my full name, it is saying welcome to Fit Plus Boutique Gym. How can we help you today? Tap an option below. So over here they have given me multiple options. So let's say if I want to view the class schedule, I can go towards this class schedule and view the class schedule. And if I want to view the memberships, I can go towards this memberships and view the memberships. Further, if I want to shop the gear, I can go towards the shop gear and see the shop gears. And over here, if I want a free trial, I can go towards this button which says free trial. And over here, they are going to give me the website with the help of which I can book the free trial class. And if I want to contact them, I can go towards this contact us. So as you can see, within seconds in real time, this chatbot is solving all my user queries. That too without any manual intervention. So yes, this is the amazing WhatsApp chatbot which we are going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab, and after opening a new tab we have to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. So we are simply going to search for it, which is pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And after opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of stars free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now, it is opening the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here on the dashboard you can see the total message credits allotted, the total WhatsApp messages credits consumed, remaining, and the total WhatsApp number added. And over here you can also create folders in order to save your WhatsApp numbers. Alright, so first, in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, you have to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to add a WhatsApp number, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. And over here you can either choose this WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect, one from this. If you select this manual token connect, you have to enter the meta access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And over here, after entering all of these, your WhatsApp number will be added. But you must be wondering from where you're going to get all of these three. So to get all of these three, you simply have to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, and in order to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup, over here we have attached a video where you can learn how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup and add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So you can refer to this tutorial given right over here, and by the end of this tutorial you learn how to add a WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow Chatflow account. Alright, so as you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to use this same WhatsApp number in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this left side of the bar. And over here in the left side of the bar, you can see that we have multiple options. One is dashboard, which we have already discovered. The another one is inbox. So over here in the inbox section of your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can manage the conversation or see the conversation which happened between a user and the chatbot. The next is contacts. Over here, with the help of this contact section, you can manage the contacts or create new contacts. The next which we have is team queues section. Over here, with the help of this team queues section, what you can do is you can assign chats to your team members. The next which we have is templates section over here. So with the help of this template section, you can create multiple templates with the help of which you can send templated message towards your users. The next which we have is broadcast. So you can create broadcast too inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. The next which we have is flows. So with the help of this flows section only, we are going to build WhatsApp chatbot today. And the next which we have is AI assistant. We have settings with the help of which you can manage the settings of your Pabbly Chatflow account. And the last is get help. Alright, so today this video is going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot, right? So we are only going to focus on the same. If you want to learn about any of this one feature in detail, you can check out the description box below. We have attached the videos for all of them. Alright, so today we are going to focus on creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, we have to go towards this flow section of our Pabbly Chatflow account. And over here in the flows section, you can see the total amount of flows which you have created, the total active flows and the total inactive flows which you have in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Also, you can manage the flows right from here. You can see the flow name and the status and the date of the flow. Alright, so now over here to start a new flow, we simply have to click on this blue button which says add flow. And as soon as we're going to click on this button which says add flow, it is opening a window something like this in front of us. Alright, so before starting with this flow, I'm just going to name this flow. So I'm just going to go towards this edit flow name and edit my flow as WhatsApp chatbot for a boutique gym. And yes, over here you can see that I've simply named this flow. And now we're going to move on forward. Over here to start with this flow, we have three options. Either we can enter regex, we can enter keywords or choose a template. So over here, if you wish, you can definitely choose a template. You can go towards this choose template and you have created multiple templates in your template section of your Pabbly Chatflow account. So you can select one from there right over here. And what is going to happen is that whenever your user is going to reply to that template, automatically the flow is going to get triggered. The next option which we have is to enter the regex. So you must be wondering what is regex. So regex are regular expressions which help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what a user is trying to say by matching specific keywords in their messages. Alright, so the next which we have is keywords right over here. And over here to start this flow today, we are going to use keywords only. So for that, I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords, which is hey, hello and hi. So to enter the keywords, we first have to type the keyword and then press enter. It is a really important step to type the keyword like this and then press enter. Otherwise, the keyword will not be added. So over here, you have to type the keyword and then press enter. So as you can see that I've simply added the most commonly used keywords. Now I'm just going to add some more keywords like gym right over here, which are related to my business. So as you can see with this, I've simply entered all of my keywords. And after entering my keywords, what I want is that whenever my user sends me any of this keyword, I want to send them a message like this, which is hi there, before we begin, may I know your full name. Alright, so to ask them for their full name, we have to go towards this actions and we have to drag and drop this ask question, and we simply have to connect it with the flow start. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them, which is hi there, before we begin, may I have your full name. And now we're just going to select the contact custom field right over here. So you must be wondering what is this contact custom field and how are we going to select it. So to select it right over here, you first have to create contact custom field. And in order to create a contact custom field, you simply have to go towards this left side of the bar towards the settings, and over here you're going to get the option of contact custom fields. So by going towards this contact custom fields, you can create multiple contact custom fields in your Pabbly Chatflow account, which you can further select right over here like I have created, and I'm just going to select like full name right over here. Alright, and if you want to know in detail about this is contact custom field. So we have attached a dedicated video on this in the description box below. You can check it out. The next is select the format of the reply. So over here the full name is always in text format. So I'm simply going to select it as text. And now it is asking me for the number of attempts I want to give to my user to enter their full name. Alright, so the number of attempts which I want to give is one only. If you wish, you can definitely give multiple number of attempts to your user to enter their full name. And now it is asking me for the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter a validation message right over here like this. But this is not the required field, so I'm just going to leave it as blank. But let's say that you selected the format of the reply as text right over here, and your user is replying in some another format like number or some another format, then this flow will stop right over here only. So you can send a validation message towards your user that please enter the full name in text format only, or this is an error or something like this, so that your user knows that they have to enter the full name in text format only. And if you enter the validation message over here, you have to increase the number of attempts too. But I'm just going to keep it as one only and not enter a validation message because this is not the required field. Now we're going to move on forward. After asking my user for their full name, what I want is I want to send them a message something like this which has options. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go back towards my flows. We are simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button, and over here I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them. And now I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here which are class schedule, membership and shop gear, so that the user can select one from that. So alright, I'm just going to add button. For that we simply have to click on this blue button which says add button, and now I'm just going to add 3 buttons, and one by one I'm just going to enter the text in all of these 3 buttons. Alright, so to enter the text, we're going to start with the first one, which is class schedule, the next which is memberships, and the third which is shop gear. And after entering the text in all of these 3 buttons, we are going to move on further. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection right over here for the class schedule and set up the message for this class schedule. So what I want is I want to set up a message something like this for this class schedule. So what I'm just going to do is I'm simply going to enter the same message right over here. And in the end of the message, you can see it is saying need help selecting a class. Tap the contact support button below. Alright, so I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here too. One will be for free trial and the another one will be for contact us. So I'm just going to enter the text right over here. One will be for contact us and the another one is free trial. And now we are going to move on further. Over here, I'm just going to move on further towards the next button, which is memberships. I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button right over here. And now I'm just going to simply enter the message for this memberships. Over here, I'm just going to send a message something like this for this memberships, right? So I'm simply going to enter this same message right over here in my flow for this membership. Now we're going to move on further. Once again, I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here for free trial and contact us. So I'm simply going to add 2 buttons. One is for free trial and the another one is for contact us. Now we're going to move on forward towards the third message, which is shop gear. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to send a message something like this if my user selects shop gear. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to enter this same message right over here. And once again for the button, I'm just going to add a button of this contact us, because over here I'm not going to add the button for free trial because this is for shop gear. Now we're going to move on further. Over here we have to set a message for free trial and contact us both. So what we're going to do is I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message for free trial, which is something like this. Alright, so I'm simply going to enter this same message right over here in my flow for this free trial. And now what we're going to do is I'm just going to connect this same message for free trial with this free trial button too. So we don't have to set up multiple messages for multiple buttons. We can connect a single message with multiple buttons like I have done right over here. Alright, and now what we're going to do is in this free trial message I'm just going to add a button of contact us too. So I'm simply going to enter it right over here. And now we're going to move on further and set up the message for contact us. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection right over here and select the content type as text plus button. And now for the contact us message, I want a message something like this. So I'm simply going to enter the same message right over here too. And after entering this message, I'm simply going to connect this message with all the buttons buttons with set contact us. So over here you can see that I've simply connected all the buttons with set contact us with this single message. And now after doing this, with this we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot. And what we're going to do is, first I'm simply going to save this WhatsApp chatbot right over here. And as you can see, flow updated successfully. So with this we have successfully saved this WhatsApp chatbot. And now what is going to happen is that whenever my user is going to message me any of this keyword, automatically the chatbot is going to ask them for their full name, and further it is going to reply according to the message buttons they select. All right, so as you can see, with this we have successfully saved this flow. And now we're going to test this flow in real time. For that, what we're going to do is, you simply have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. As you can see that it is switched on right over here. If it is switched off in your case, you have to first switch it on, and then only the flow is going to run in real time. So now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp and check my flow. For that, I'm just going to clear the previous chat and start fresh. Over here I'm just going to send them a keyword which is gym. So I'm just going to send them this keyword which is gym. And once again it is saying, hi there, before we begin, may I have your full name? Alright, so this time for the full name I'm just going to keep it as test user right over here. So I'm simply going to enter test user and send them this message. And now it is saying, welcome to Fit Plus Boutique Gym. How can we help you today? So I'm just going to test all of these three buttons one by one. First, I'm just going to test this class schedule button. Over here you can see the message for the same. Next, I'm just going to test this memberships button, and over here you can see the message received for the same. And the third, I'm just going to test this shop care button, and over here you can see the message which we are going to receive for the same. And now if I want, I can test this free trial button too. So I'm simply going to click on this free trial button, and over here you can see the message which I have received for the same. And now I'm just going to test this contact us button, and over here you can see the message which we have received. So yes, you can see that this WhatsApp chatbot is replying me in real time, that too without any manual intervention. Within seconds, my all the queries are solved. Over here you can see I can view the schedules. Over here I can view the membership plans too. So yes, with this we have successfully completed this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for my boutique gym. And now go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.